closer to my when the sun goes down.